All right, welcome back, everyone. This next lesson is on hexadecimal to decimal to binary, vice versa, conversions. Not that you're going to see any conversions on the test, because you won't. It's been a very long time where Cisco actually put some conversions on the exam. Now, you do need to be familiar, especially nowadays, with hexadecimal numbers, because since IPv6 is on hex. And when we start doing the subnetting in IPv6, we kind of need to know that each hexadecimal number is 4 bits long, and that's how they create each section that's 16, because you got 4 hexadecimal numbers and so forth. So you need to be comfortable. And also, this is going to show you especially the bit to decimal table, because these are the tables that we use when we're converting from, whether you're converting a binary number or decimal number or hexadecimal number. So I'm just going to show you the tables that we use. One of the things that you really need to not pay attention, but memorize is this table right here. I tell everyone this bit to decimal table, this is a lifesaver, okay? This is a tremendous lifesaver, because this will let you know when somebody gives you a CIDR notation, CIDR 24, CIDR 20, whatever it is, this will let you know how many bits in. If it's CIDR 20, you have what? You have 4 bits. You have 8 bits, and 8 bits is 16 plus 4 more. So 4 bits is what? 4 bits is 240. So this table is definitely going to help you not only for the conversions that we're going to do here, but also for the fact that when you're turning from CIDR notation to dotted decimal or vice versa, this table comes in handy. These bit values, in an IP address, an IP version 4 address, you know that there's 4 octets. Each octet is made up of 8 bits. 8 bits creates a byte. So when these bit values exist on the very top, that's what I write on the very top, the bit values of each one of the zeros, if you will, or the values, or the spaces, whatever you want to call it. Each one of those has its particular bit value, and they're the same throughout each octet. So, of course, here we're not going to be converting IP addresses or nothing like that. But so you know, because if you were to add all these bit values together, it will come out to 255. So that lets you know right there that the maximum value of any octet is 255. So again, we use this to convert. And then, of course, we have our hex table. And let me scroll down here so you can see the whole thing. All right. Our hex table is 16 numbers, because we start from 0 and we go all the way down to F. But starting at A equals 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F 15. So that is important to know. All right, but this is it. This is all you need right here in order to convert or do whatever it is that you need to do. These little tables right here. And that bit to decimal table, like I said earlier, it is key. You must memorize that little table, this little thing right here. It's nothing. One bit on is 128. 2 consecutive bits on is 192. 3 to 24, and so forth. If you memorize this, you're not gonna have issues. When we get into IP addressing, you're gonna find that magic line, but we're gonna use it for conversions. Okay? So anyway, these are the tables that we use when we convert from hex to decimal, from a decimal to a hex, from a binary. And always remember, binary is always your middle ground. Always your middle ground. Okay? Well, these are our tables. Next video, we'll start the conversions. I'll see you then.